let's mount the battery wall mount for the Eagle battery you see here. So we're gonna screw this onto the wall and see how well this works. Okay, so parts needed: the wall mount, of course, and I found some 2 screws around the house somewhere. It make sure it fits in there, and there goes that. And this one will fit as long as I didn't screw this one here yet. So 2 screws, and I'm lazy. I'll get a power drill with a long bit attachment. It's not gonna go all the way because the bit reaches this, so you may need additional Phillips screwdriver here. So finish it off once it goes in there. So let's go outside and mount it, because I'll demonstrate it on a fence post so I don't damage any walls in the home. Here we are outside. We're going to be mounting this to the fence post as a demonstration. So I'll put this in there, get my long drill bit, and get it started. There we go. I see the screw poking out. Put that on the wall. Okay. And for the bottom, same thing. You can get a straight edge and make sure it's plumb, or a level bubble level. Okay, and there we go. And finish that off with a long screwdriver. Make sure it goes in there. There you go. I feel it now. And make sure you're not too over tight, or you risk cracking the plastic. And there we go. As long as it doesn't really move too much, you should be good. Now let's see how the battery mounts. And there we go. As you can see, it's at an angle, and you can pull it up easily, rather than other designs which you have to pull up, therefore wasting room. If you have some other tools on top, you would be hitting that tool. So when it's at this angle, it looks nice, plus it's easier to remove and put in. There we go.